Yesterday evening until this morning. Also, let's have a look on gold, guys. Let's have a look on gold. Here, also, as you remember, yesterday, gold was traded at 1,240 and it was quite a high number. Now it dropped to 1,235 and I think gold is one of the assets I would like to trade today. It's a nice one and I would like to trade today gold. And I see here a nice setup. Let me see, guys. I see a nice setup here on gold. Let me put a pending order on gold. It is traded right now at 1,236. Guys, I'm going long. I'm buying now. Here we go. I just bought gold. I went long on gold. I just went long on gold and I would like to put a take profit on this position. Let me see. My take profit on this gold position. Woo! My take profit on this position is going to be at 1,237.20. This is my take profit. Let's see. I'm aiming here a take profit of approximately $4,000. Let's see how it will go. Our first trade is on gold and we see how it develops. So who is with us this morning? We have again a lot of traders here at the morning session. It's with us, Ellen. Hello, Ellen. In a short while, we will start Italy 40. Augustus just arrived. Hello, Augustus. Fanos. Francis is with us. Hello, Francis. Gabriel. Julia. Laura. Mary. Hello, Mary. Hello, Gabriel. Max. Nina and Patrick. A lot of nice people, nice traders with us here. We opened our gold trade, nice one. And we go now for the next one. So we put our take profits, everything is as we want. So let's see the next one, which is interesting today, is also Italy 40, as you know. As I told you later before on the US shares, I will not trade today if I don't see a huge possibility, because the US indices will close today earlier in honor of George W. Bush. Today the Wall Street will not open, and so the indices will close also earlier. That's why I'm expecting here a bit less volatility after it dropped so strongly yesterday. And I will focus today on the European indices, on gold and maybe a bit of silver. Let me see on Italy 40. What's going on Italy 40? Guys, Italy 40 is nice. Italy 40 is very nice today. I'm going long on Italy 40. Just opened a long position on Italy 40, guys. And I will put my take profit on Italy 40 at 19,420. 19,420 is my take profit. Let me see. No, it's a very, very big for. I believe it will go up. Come on, I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. So I put my take profit at 19,344. Let me see. Welcome, Mary. Welcome, Mary. Mary is with me on Italy 40. We are long on Italy 40. We are long. Yes, Mary, you entered right now on the right time. You joined us on the right time. We are long on Italy 40. I put a quite big take profit because I see we have this nice formation over here. So I'm expecting here a quite good move up. That's why I put here my... Yes, that's why I put here my take profit, guys. And maybe we might adjust it later on. Let's see, let's see. So next one, DAX. What's happening on DAX? So on DAX we have also a very similar formation. Guys, I have to go also long on DAX. I'm going long on DAX. Here we go. I just opened again a long position on DAX. And my take profit here on DAX will be at 11,270. 11,270 is my take profit. So, and with this take profit, I'm aiming $1,600. So guys, we have 3 positions open. We opened 3 positions this morning. We are long on gold, long on it, Germany 30, and long on Italy 43 positions. Let's see how fast we will move on with those positions and get some money in. Looks interesting. Looks interesting, and we will get there. We will get there. The other one indice, which is definitely interesting, is silver. Shall we enter silver? No, on silver, I might. Yes, guys, I want to enter also a silver position. Here we go. I just opened 1 silver position, guys. 1 silver position. I am long on silver. On silver, the spread is quite high, but we haven't had trades on silver for a very long time. But the formation is so nice, I have to have silver. Look at this. This is the half-an-hour chart. We had a very long-term movement below, downtrend, and now we see on our stochastic oscillator a nice setup for a long position, and I get this confirmation also from my 5 minutes chart. On my 15 minutes chart, I don't get this confirmation, but it's okay, guys. So we are long on silver, long on DAX, long on Italy 40, and long on gold. On silver, I have to put a take profit. I want to put a take profit. Oh, I see. We get newbies here in. Hello, Foodie. Foodie just joined us. Rachel joined us. Hello, guys. Welcome, and nice to have you here. So let me see. On gold, I will put my take profit at 14.535. Okay, guys, these are our trades right now. I see that Kyriakos just joined us, and Kyriakos has also really, really nice trades waiting for us. So, Kyriakos, just let us know what your trades are doing on the Forex world.
Unmuted.
Good morning from me as well, guys, here. How are you today, guys? Are you okay? So, welcome to another trading session here at Trademy.com. This is Kyriakos Harilou talking, the Forex trading desk of Trademy. Before I start proceeding with the current FX positions, I would like to show you good morning, Mary, and it's nice to have you here always. I would like to show you what happened to yesterday's positions, guys. When we closed the trading room, if you look at the time, we were here. The last trade we closed together, guys, was pound yen. Throughout the night, and you can see the date here, it's 4th of December, we closed $3,500 on euro dollar. We closed profits of $10,000 on euro yen positions, and also we closed dollar card positions with profit. We closed dollar yen positions with profit, as you can see, up to this point here. And we have totaled $31,890. If you minus today's trades, guys, if we minus today's positions already closed, we total approximately $21,000. So our day yesterday was really good. Today is also doing well. I have already closed some positions. I closed my yesterday position on Aussie dollar with a profit. And this morning again, the pounds, guys. The pounds are making really nice movements. So I have already closed one position on pound Aussie. I have already closed one position on pound yen, and I have already closed one position on pound dollar. And I have traded them again, and I will trade them again and again and again. If they are making us money, we are trading them. So as you can see, I have opened second positions for the day on pound Aussie, pound yen, and pound dollar. So for myself, I would like to say also good morning to all the participants. I would like to remind you that you can communicate with us via the chat room. A lot of people from Canada, good morning, Foodie. And I would also like to say good morning to Augustus as well, to Francis, to Gabriel, and to all the other members of our trading room, to Rachel, to Patrick, to Mary, to Laura, to everybody. Guys, welcome. So let's go straight into the trading action without wasting any more of our time talking. So FX positions, guys, the first position I have opened today, as you can see, and still no reversals. Date is 5th of December. I have entered a long position in US dollar at 0.72927. Stop loss 0.72357 and TP 0.73277. That's the first trade I have opened today, guys. So there we go. Now I would like to remind you that in case you would like to follow us on any of our trades, it's at your own personal discretion. It's more beneficial actually for you if you see a minus sign there on my trade. So for example, I have shorted the Aussie dollar as 927. Now it's 919. If you would like, you can short it with me now, and you will get a better price than what I did. Next one. I have entered a long position as well on Euro Yen at 128.061. The stop loss 127.491. And TP at 128.411. That's a long position on Euro Yen, already making money. It's up to you whether or not you can follow me on that. It's up to you guys. I'm just warning you that if you decide to follow me now, you will get a worse price than what I did and a worse reward to risk ratio. Next one. Trade number 3. I have opened a long position on Euro dollar. I will write all the positions down and then we will go through the charts one by one to see what's going on. Long position on euro dollar at 1.13304. Stop loss 1.12734 and TP 1.13654. That's the third trade for the moment. I have bought again, I have traded again pound Aussie, so I'm long on pound Aussie at 1.74518. Stop loss 1.73948, and TP 1.746868. That's the fourth position I have open. Also, I have traded again pound yen long positions again at 143.879, stop loss 143.309, TP 144.229. Next one, I have to also enter again for the second time today, short position on pound dollar. 1.27377, stop loss 1.27947, and TP 1.27027. Next one, since yesterday now. This is a yesterday position. So as you can see, since yesterday we have reversed to short on the Kiwi at, you can see the date of the opening trade. If you see 4th of December, that's yesterday. So these two trades are relating to yesterday's positions, still running. Okay, so that you know what I'm doing. So I have reversed to short positions on the Kiwi since yesterday at 0.69407. Stop loss 0.69977 and TP 0.69057. Let's go to the next one. Again, since yesterday, 4th of December, as you can see, I have reversed to, no, let's go to dollar cut first. So trade number 8 is a dollar cut trade, guys. So this is a today trade. So on dollar cut, as you can see, I'm long the loonie dollar cut at 1.32886, stop loss 1.32316, and TP 1.33236. Dollar cut trade. Now, since yesterday, I have reversed to long positions on dollar CHF, and still running at 0.99822, stop loss 0.99252, and TP a bit above parity 1.00172. And the last trade I have initiated today is dollar yen, trade number 10, forex pair number 10, long dollar yen at 113.058, stop loss 112.488, and TP 113.408. So these are the current FX, the 10 forex pairs. Let's go straight to the charts and see how these charts are doing. Now, for Aussie dollar, it seems that the Aussie dollar is forming here a base, an accumulation base. It's trading below the MAs. However, I believe that this base will hold for the day. That's why I have entered long positions. The short-term MAs, we already have a bullish cross above. It's quite bearish, but we have some contradicting results for the moment for further downside movement, which are as follows. Bullish parabolics, bullish cross of the MA10 above MA20. This area here still holds. The Aussie dollar is trading in a narrow trading range for the past 2 hours. And the ADX is really low, so really low volatility for the past 2 hours, indecision on Aussie dollar, but we have some indications that most probably will make an upside movement. Now, in case it significantly breaks below today's lows, then I have here my pending order to reverse to short positions. Let's go to Euro Yen. Euro Yen, a huge decline yesterday, nice profits yesterday of $10,000 as I have shown you before. Today I have decided to enter long positions. Again, this is a contrarian trend rate. It's against the trend. So today, both on Aussie dollar and Euro yen, I have decided to trade contrarian. So we have a nice uptrend. We have a nice uptrend here for the moment, and the pair seems to be holding within the cloud. If we break these lows, these intermediate daily lows, then I will reverse to short position. The decline will continue. Otherwise, I'm sticking to my long positions and looking forward to for the MA50 to be broken to the upside. If this occurs, then the price will quickly rise and reapproach the MA of 200 periods of the 15-minute chart. Euro USD. Euro USD again, that's an intraday trend contrarian trade again. For me, the trend is still down, but I gave it a try for a long position. Again, here I observed some indications that are telling me that most probably today is a correction day to the upside. We have a bullish cross on the MAs, bullish parabolics, ADX indecision, and RSI is above 50 but declining. Now the pair is finding resistance on the on the Ichimoku cloud. Also, we have very strong resistance levels there, MA50 and MA200 periods, and it will be very interesting to see if the pair tries and recovers above these MAs. Now, we reverse to short only if we see a significant low below today's low and yesterday's low of the euro dollar. It seems that buyers entered the market there, and it's not by any chance. Don't forget that 113 is a very good support level based on the analysis we have done last Friday, guys. Just a quick reminder of that. 113 is a support level, so we will see if it will hold or if it will break. Next one, long positions on pound Aussie. That's a huge uptrend. Look at that in the morning, guys. A sudden jump to the upside, sideways movement, jump to the upside. So I'm expecting this pattern to continue. Sideways movement and jump to the upside. Now I have a sell stop order here. If it falls and covers completely this bullish candle, then it means that we'll most probably go for a further correction. That's why I have my sell stop hedging order here. But for the moment, it seems that the long positions are holding very well, and we might experience an upside rally, especially if today's highs, these current highs here, are pending to the upside. If we have even one tick below this bullish candle, then it means that we are going on for a correction. So that's my sell stop order here with a TP of the sell stop at the MA of 200 periods. Long positions on pound yen, same attitude, let's say, but now we see that the Chigu span of the Ichimoku is testing the cloud as a support area. That's why I have my hedging sell stop order. We are long on pound yen for the moment. That's why I have my sell stop pending order just below the MA50. If the pair breaks the MA50, I will reverse to short. It means that most probably we are entering a correction, downside correction. Pound dollar. As soon as I saw that the pair, and upon closing long positions TP this morning, as you can see, long positions TP, there it is, we reversed to long and we got the money. I have observed that the pair was approaching the MA of 200 periods. And as I said many times, this MA 200 periods line acts as a vital support or resistance zone for the intraday traders. So in our case, since the price is coming from below, it's a resistance level. Then I observed this candle and I went short. I'm looking for a movement back to the Ichimoku cloud, back to the Bollinger Bands, and it seems that for the moment is working nicely. Now, next, since yesterday, we have reversed to short positions on the Kiwi. The pair tested the cloud, declined, a small correction to the upside, tested the MA50, and now is declining again. We have marginally hit our take profit this morning, guys, but we missed it by a few pips. So if the pair loses these short-term MAs again, and the pair makes new lows, we are getting ready to get some money in our pockets. Next one, long the loonie, long dollar CAD. That's a nice uptrend I see here. Bullish setup, everything is bullish except parabolics, guys, and ADX. So we definitely want to see the green line crossing above 20 again. We have the so-called squeeze of the Bollinger Bands. Look how how narrow the Bollinger Bands are now. They are very narrow. It means that there is a transition from high volatility to low volatility in the candles, very small candles. The range of the candles is very small. So we are expecting a definite explosion, most probably to the upside for dollar CAD. So get ready for some nice volatility on dollar CAD. Let's see if it will be in our side to the upside, since technical indications are indicating a bullish momentum. Next one, reversed to long positions on dollar CHF. The pair was rising nicely. Now it's testing the cloud. These again are yesterday's positions. So we didn't have a significant movement since yesterday. It has tried to break above the parity once today. Didn't manage to do that. Now it's recovering. It's close to our entry level of long positions, as you can see. And we will see if the area of the cloud will act as support. If we have a break below it, then here it is my hedging sector order. It means that we are going further down and we will short. For the moment, we keep our long positions. And the last trade I have for the moment, again, a nice uptrend on dollar yen. A nice uptrend on dollar yen. We have long positions. The entry level was not so good, so I'm patiently waiting. The only obstacle I see from dollar yen for preventing it going up is the MA of 200 periods. We need to penetrate both upper Bollinger Bands and MA 200 periods in order to reach our long position TP. Now, if the price breaks below the lower Bollinger Band, then we will have the so-called squeeze and breakout sell signal. Is when the Bollinger Bands are getting really narrow and we have a sudden movement to the downside in this case. So we are observing similar patterns on dollar CAD pairs and dollar yen pairs. So the Bollinger Bands on both pairs are very close to each other. So an explosion is getting ready to occur, guys. So both dollar yen and dollar CAD, see how narrow the Bollinger Bands are? So dollar CAD and dollar yen, I'm observing the same attitude regarding the Bollinger Bands narrowing. So we are on the squeeze phase of Bollinger Bands, very low volatility, and anytime we are expecting a breakout. Also, it's very important to mention that today we have at 9:30, in 1 minute actually, we have market services, PMI for the pounds. So let me go straight to the pound dollar chart. We have market services. Remember that we are monitoring the news. There we go. We are short on pound dollar. Some volatility is expected. Market services PMI for the UK is coming out right now. Look at the volatility, guys. Look at the volatility. There we go. Crazy movements on pounds. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's see. Let's see. Pound Aussie, there we go. We have a lot of reversals on Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie is crazy, guys. Let's see. All right, some volatility is expected. Let's see the outcome of market services. Not out yet. We have reversed to long positions on Pound Aussie. We have reversed to long positions on Pound Aussie, guys. It's going nice. We have reversed to long positions on Pound Yen. Wow. Let's see what's going on with Pound Dollar, Pound Yen, and Pound Aussie. So let me inform you about the positions. We have reversed to long on Pound Yen, 143.879. Stop loss 143.309, and TP 144.229. Let's go to Pound Aussie. We have reversed to long on Pound Aussie at, let me put it here so that I see the chart. We have reversed to long on Pound Aussie at 1.74474. Stop loss 1.73948. and TP 1.74868. And also we have reversed, no, that's all. Pound Aussie, pound yen. Let me have a look on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So everything is okay. So we have reversed to long positions on pound yen. We have reversed to long positions on pound Aussie as well. Let's see what the charts are telling us. For the moment, the volatility of the market services PMI of the UK came out worse than expected at 50.4 versus expected of 52.5. So worse than expected news announcements for the pound. Some volatility was observed, but not the desired one. So worse, bad news for the pounds. Bad news for the pounds. For the moment, we have reversed to long positions on pound Aussie. We have a sudden jump to the upside, and this has called long positions. We have reversed also to long positions on pound yen. Now the pair is losing money as well, and we keep our short positions on pound dollar. So let me see, we have other important announcements. We have retail sales, not so important, for the EU, coming out in approximately 30 minutes from now at 10 p.m. UTC time, but the highlights for the day, guys, are coming out at 3 p.m. UTC time. It's interest rate decisions for the dollar cut, for the Canadian dollar, and we have trades on USD cards. So I would keep an eye on that definitely today. Expectations are talking about a steady interest rate decision, 1.75% interest rate decision expected, the same as the previous month. So we will see how the market will perceive that. In the meantime, we are observing a rebound on the pound pairs. So we see pound dollar nicely recovering to the upside. We are short. We also see pound yen. We have reversed to long and is recovering to the upside. It has made a sudden drop and then a rebound. And the same case, even more bullish for pound Aussie. So it seems that my best performing trade for the moment is pound Aussie. So I will stick to the screen monitoring pound Aussie chart. The pounds are very nice to us the last 2 days, guys. Today I have closed Aussie dollar, pound Aussie, pound yen, pound dollar, $5,320 already. And we have traded again, as you can see, the pounds. They are developing. Some of them are doing well, some of them are not. One thing is for sure, that we will get the money eventually. So we are monitoring now on my screen the pound Aussie chart, and we will see how it will go. So guys, how many of you have traded Forex today? How many of you push the button, give it a try? How many of you guys? Don't be afraid to trade. Don't be afraid to practice. Just use minimum position size. There we go, guys. We are getting ready to hit TP on pound Aussie. A leaf, yes. So we are getting ready to hit TP on pound Aussie. As you can see, a nice volatility observed today on the pound Aussie chart. Currently, we have net long positions with 36 lots. Currently, we are making a bit more than $5,000. So let's get ready to increase our profits even more. Currently, we are making $5,320. We are monitoring the pound Aussie chart. Throughout the announcement, we have reversed to long positions again. We are making $7,000 now on our pound Aussie trade, $6,800 actually. Let's see if we will manage to get the money from this trade. This will be nice. Also, pound yen is developing nicely. It's already making us money, $1,000. Let's see if we will hit the take profit of pound Aussie, a very volatile pair. It definitely needs more attention than other pairs. So $6,000 now, $6,500. We had a nice rebound upon news announcement, a sudden decline, and then a rebound to the upside on pound Aussie. It's a nice uptrend today, and I think it's a matter of minutes to hit our TPs on pound Aussie. Let's see, we will manage and take the profits, or if it will trouble us a bit more. The pair has found support on the MA of 200 periods, refused to give it up to the downside, and now we see a nice climb to the upside. So let's see if we will hit our take profit. In the meantime, let's have a look on the other pairs. We are long Aussie dollar, is still consolidating. We need a close below that candle to reverse to short positions. It's a contrarian trend trade. Let's see. Euro yen rising nicely. I think it will break eventually above the MA50 and hit our target. Euro dollar. Too many resistance levels for euro dollar, guys, today. Let's see if there are two options for euro dollar. Either to break them all at once and hit the TP, or stay there for a long time. So we will see. Pound Aussie, we're getting ready, as I said, to hit TP anytime soon. Pound yen, same pattern as pound Aussie, is getting there, guys. All right, we are getting ready to hit TPs on pound Aussie, as I have said. Pound dollar is still trying to go above the MA of 200 periods. I have shoot a short position there. Let's see if it will hold or break. Kiwi, nice and steady, falling nicely. Let's see if we will hit our TP. Dollar CAD, an explosion is getting ready. The longer it takes, the more violent it will be, guys. So I'm getting ready for some big movements on dollar CAD. Dollar CHF, as I said, is testing the cloud. And the same goes for dollar yen. So I'm expecting a big movement, a sudden volatility also on dollar yen. So my eyes will be on the pound Aussie since it's my best performing trade. Also the Kiwi is doing some nice money. You see the mathematical hedge trading system. The biggest position size to the opposite direction will soon recover the losses of the previous trade and will turn the trade into profitable trade. Don't forget that in case you would like to follow me, you can use the Excel spreadsheet, which according to your initial position size that you wish to open with me, depending on the reversals, you increase your position size accordingly. This comes out automatically. You just need to input what your initial position size will be. So if you decide to follow me, let's say on pound Aussie, and you started here, if your initial position size is 0.03, that's the first reversal. So it means that if you decide to short it 0.06, and that's the second reversal again to long, you will open a 0.11 position size. Is it clear? This Excel just calculates the position sizes, not the entry levels, nor the TPs, not the stop losses. So all this you can be found in the live trading room with us. So I'm monitoring the pairs. Let's see what euro dollar is doing. It will face some difficulties today, the euro dollar, guys. Huge resistance area here. So we will see. So that's all I have for the moment. We are a bit stuck in the middle. Let's see, Kiwi is testing now the Bollinger Bands, the middle Bollinger Band. So we just need to wait and see if we will hit any of our profits. TP. So any update from the indices and commodities, Elif? Do they move?
Well, there is a small move down, Kyriakos. Nothing major we didn't hit any take profit, unfortunately. It's again one of those days, today the US market will be limited open, or the Dow Jones will not, Wall Street will not open at all today. That's reflecting also the current situation on the European market. Although we were planning to trade today only the European market, we have very limited moves. You can see that. However, I'm expecting something in approximately 18 minutes, because we will have the retail sales numbers, guys. Retail sales numbers in 18 minutes from Europe. There we go. We will have some movements there, I'm sure about that. And apart from this, guys, Later on, this week, like today, it might be a bit slow. We will not have the oil inventories. We will have them all tomorrow. But the important thing is on Friday, we will have the NFP. It's the very important, it's the second important development during the month. We have the NFP, the last NFP of the year. So on Friday, we are expecting huge volatility. Now, regarding our trades here, let me see. I might increase again my exposure on DAX and on Italy 40. Let me put here DAX and here Italy 40. Guys, I do so. I'm now buying gold. Just bought again DAX, and I'm again long in Italy 40 because I will explain you why. We had this nice.
Elif, sorry for interrupting you. I just want to say that we are getting ready to hit TP on pound Aussie. When the time comes, I will come back. Thank you.
Okay, Gyriakos, no problem. Anytime you want, just jump into the game and it will be okay. So I opened again a long position on DAX and on Italy 40, guys, because we had this nice move here and then it moved higher. We had the resistance and it dropped, and now I can see on the middle Bollinger Band, it is reversing again. DAX is reversing again, and I see that also here on my stochastic oscillator, this reversal. That's why I entered again a long position, and I will put my take profit at the entry level of my first trade. So for Italy, for DAX, my take profit is at 11,240. Let's put it on 41 to be on the safe side. Here we go. And with this move, I'm expecting $1,200. There we go. Kyriakos has an update. Here we go. We hit.
As expected, guys, we hit our take profit on pound Aussie, as you can see here, and we have look at this jump to the upside, and we have increased our daily profits to $6,872. So the pounds are behaving very well. So the next one that is getting ready to our TP is pound yen, already making us long positions. We are making almost $4,000 on that. We see a sudden jump to the upside on all the pound pairs. So I will keep an eye on the markets and let you know accordingly how the progress of these trades is. So thank you very much, Eli, for the pass. We are back to you. Sorry for the interruption.
Problem, Gyriakos, no problem. For take profits, we have always happy faces, right? We have always happy faces for take profits, and here on Italy 40, we have even a much nicer setup. Look at this, guys. We have this nice formation, and at this level we have a pullback over here, and now we entered again a long position here, and it's already profiting $400, and soon we will get even more here on Italy 40, guys. We are currently making $400 on this position, and I'm expecting even more. I put here my take profit at 19,278. So we have two positions open on Italy 40, both long, two positions open on DAX, both long, and we put our take profits accordingly. Then we have also still a position open on gold and on silver. Gold and silver, they need now, due to I need a bit more time to develop. I don't like this, that they need so much time to develop, but okay. It belongs to trading, that sometimes it takes longer than you expect a position to move on. We didn't close any position yet, but we will get there. Let's have a short look also to oil. Oil is now traded at $52 per barrel. But not really. Guys, on Go, on Italy 40 and DAX, we started to make money. That's good. We have another 12 minutes to go for the retail sales today. We are expecting retail sales today and from Europe, and this is something I'm looking forward, because I'm expecting here some movements. Except of this, later on through the day, we will not face any big movements. We have market, PMI, Canada interest rate decision, but that's it. But tomorrow and on Friday will be a really big day and big movements. Tomorrow we will have the oil inventories. Tomorrow we will have the trade balance of USA, and then on Friday we will have the NFP, which is a very important number and very important to check what's going on. And we will have also the jobless claim of USA. All these are very important numbers, and tomorrow I'm expecting a lot of movements. Now, guys, I'm making on DAX $400, on Italy 40 we are making also $400. On gold and silver we are losing money, but gold and silver needs a bit time to develop, as we discussed. This is the silver trade. Let's check the gold trade. What's going on gold? During, I believe now, when we have the retail sales numbers, it's not a big market moving. It's not a market moving indicator, but still we get some volatility, guys. Still we get some volatility throughout the day because of our because of the retail sales numbers. So we are looking forward for the retail sales numbers, and then we might close our positions accordingly. So on gold and on gold and on silver, I stick in on my positions. I stick on my positions. They are low. They will come back. They will come back. Yeah, we will get there. So on Italy 40 we are making $500 right now. On DAX we are making $400. Nice one. We are getting there. On DAX, on gold and silver we are losing, but as I said, it's just a short time. We are looking, we need a bit more time. We need another 9 minutes for the next announcement. Let me see if I can enter maybe a gold trade. A gold trade is since this morning on my eye, and I would like to open a gold position. I want to enter a gold position, guys. Oil position, but I don't get a nice signals yet. I don't get nice signals to go long on oil. But it's one of those assets which I would go long today. But it's not very strong, the signals. I'm not getting a strong signals to do so. Let's put a pending order. Let's put a pending order on oil. Here we go. I'm long with a buy limit on pending order and on oil, and my price is at 52.585. This is my pending order for oil. And let me see, I want my take profit at this at 52,795. Oops, Allah. 795. This is my pending order, guys. With this trade, I'm aiming something like $1,000, guys, currently on Italy 40. And on DAX, we are making some money and we are getting close to hit take profits. Let's go to Italy 40 to have a look. There we go. Very close to hit our take profit on Italy 40. There we go. Another one. Ching ching, guys. We hit our first take profit for the morning session. $1,139 on Italy 40. So it's a good one, and we needed for this trade 11 minutes, guys. Within 11 minutes, we made 1,139 euros, and we have another one position open on Italy 40. And we will get there. So let's check also our DAX position. Also, our DAX position started to make money. We are making $800 on our DAX position, guys. With $1,200, we have over here a take profit. We put a take profit of $1,200. So nice one. Nice one. Also, my second Italy 40 position is making now money. My second Italy 40 position is making money as well. And here I put a quite a wide take profit. I will leave that for the first step here, but if you traded with me this position, just bear in mind it's up to your own discretion if you would like to put your take profit higher or not. My idea on this is that it will try to get to this level over here and get higher. This is what I'm aiming, and it will go hopefully there. Let's see. Looks interesting. Our gold trade, okay, gold trade still needs time. Leave it there, the gold trade, and we will get there. So, Connie, welcome. We have another 5 minutes to go for our sales numbers. During the sales numbers, I'm expecting some movement. Italy 40 is moving nicely. We closed already one trade, and I'm looking towards closing the other trade as well. While on the other trade, on this trade, we have a very big. It's a take profit of 3,000 euros, $3,000. It's not bad. Currently, we are making $400 on Italy 40. And $900 on our DAX position. With $1,200, we will hit our take profit. On gold and on silver, we are a bit more slowed down. So we closed our first trade for this morning and looking for more. Let me see what is happening with UK 100. It's also low. Guys, today in general, I don't expect big volatility on the market. Now, during the retail sales numbers, we might have a slight volatility. And when we have this slight volatility on the markets with during the retail sales numbers, we hope that our positions will get closed. If not, I will adjust my take profit for my DAX position and for my Italy 40 positions, just for your information. I'm waiting just for the news, which will be in 3 minutes, and then we see if our trade will get triggered. It's fine. If not, we will adjust our take profits on our Italy 40 and DAX positions. Currently, I'm making on DAX $900, on Italy 40 $400. Let's see. Kyriakos, do you have any updates so far before the
Yes, Elif, thank you for the
news? Okay.
thank you for the
We are waiting for the news in 3 minutes.
Exactly. So what I'm observing is a change in trend on pound pairs. We have hit our TP on pound Aussie exactly here, guys. Now we see a decline. We have marginally hit our TP on pound yen, but the pair refused to make new daily highs and is declining. So generally speaking, I'm observing a reversal in the momentum of the pound. So it's more bearish now. We are short on pound dollar. And for the moment, we are long on pound yen. If the price continues and loses the MA50, I'm reversing also to short positions on pound yen. But the really interesting pair now is the Kiwi. The positions since yesterday, guys, is declining nicely. It's not far away from our TP, but as you know, the Kiwi is a slow moving pair. So it will take most probably a bit of time to go break today's lows, and as soon as it approaches the MA of 200 periods at this level, then we will close our short positions with profits. Now, regarding the other of the pairs, the long positions we have on Aussie dollar, you see that very low volatility on Aussie dollar today for the past 5 hours, trading between a narrow range of 15 pips, so no clear indication there where we are heading at. Euro yen for the past 2 hours is accumulating, I would say the correct word, below the MA50, but above the short-term MA. So indecision, we are long. Let's see if we will break to the upside. Euro dollar resistance of the clouds. We have the MA 200, we have the MA 50. It will either break it at once or it will travel us here for a couple of hours. Pound yen, as I said, we are long, but if the price breaks below the MA 50, we will reverse to short. Pound dollar, we are short. The price indicated, the pair has indicated serious weakness in breaking above the MA 200 periods and is now declining nicely. Our TP is not far away. It's to reapproach the clouds. The Kiwi, we talk about the Kiwi. Now, as I said, I'm expecting an explosion to the upside or to the downside on dollar CAD. We have a squeeze on the Bollinger Bands, guys, squeeze, and soon we will have big volatility, especially because today we also expecting interest rate announcements for the Canadian dollar, the highlight news for the day actually. Dollar CHF, we are long, the pair now is approaching strong support levels. It's the cloud of the Ichimoku, is the MA50 and MA 200 periods. And again, on dollar yen, we are expecting a breakout as well, a very narrow volatility. So we will see how it goes and we will update you accordingly. So the news announcements are out. So Elif, do we have any significant movement on the indices? Retail sales?
No, not yet, but I see some slight movement. Let's have a look. On DAX, we are making $600 now. On Italy, $400, but on gold we saw a bit of movement. Gold catched up. As you remember, we have also a gold and silver position. Gold catched up a bit, but the other two positions Not really, not really. So, Mary is on Italy 40. As you know, Mary, we closed already one position on Italy 40. This is our second position, and we check how much we make here. Let me see, 1,139 euros we closed already. And on Italy 40, still not. It's a steady going movement, steady, slow going movement on Italy 40 and on DAX, but nothing, not the big breakout, let's say, not a big breakout. On DAX, as you know, our take profit is at $1,200. So we are getting there very close. There we go. There we go. We are currently on DAX at $1,000. So let's stay there. I think the effect will show off now. There we go. There we go, guys. On Italy 40, we are making right now $1,200. One more push and we get our position in, our take profit in. Let me see. There we go. On Italy 40, we are making already some move. On DAX, on Italy 40, we are making right now $1,500. I think I will adjust a bit my take profit. What do you think, guys? I will adjust a bit my take profit on DAX. $2,000. Come on, we closed with $2,000. Here we go. We closed with 2,000. Ching, ching, guys. Ching, ching. So we closed our DAX position. Guys, we closed our DAX position with, that's the magic. We closed our DAX position with $1,208. And then we closed our Italy 40 position with $2,120. And we increased our daily profit so far to $4,468, guys. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Now I'm looking forward on Italy 40 to go for, I will put a pending order, guys. On Italy 40, my pending order, let me see. Okay, I'm putting a pending order at, for Italy 40, at $19,275. And my take profit will be at 19,310. So guys, this is my pending order, and the reason why I put this 10 pending order, I will explain you guys. I checked the 5 minutes chart we have across, and we expect on the 5 minutes chart a small rebound. So on the 15 minutes chart, I still see that the market might move a bit higher. On the half an hour chart, I still see that we don't have a cross. So what is the conclusion out of it? We will go for a small pullback and then push again up. So that's why I put a pending order for the pullback to get hit, because if I would enter now, I will lose for a while, right? That's why, look at DAX, for example, now it's pulling back, and I expect that Italy 40 will pull back as well. That's why I'm putting now a pending order, guys. And And when the market pulls back, we will trigger our pending order and get a bit more money in. That's the idea behind. So guys, we closed our Italy 40 and our DAX position, our gold position and silver position. They still need a bit more, but they catched up already. And soon we will make also money over here, hopefully. Hopefully we will make also money here. You see, our gold and silver position, they develop slowly. We have a pending order on Italy 40. We have a pending order on oil. And the world is waiting for us. So guys, this was the morning session so far. This was the morning session. I will be here with Kyriakos, and if we see any nice updates or good trading opportunities, we will come live and inform you guys. So stay with us. Some webinars will follow, and I will see you later on throughout the day, guys. So see you later, guys. Bye-bye.
Okay guys, just a very quick update. As you can see, we have closed also our pound yen trades, and we're in a very good mood today. We have closed the pound yen positions, and we have increased our daily realized profits to $9,054. Also, we have entered a long position on pound Aussie. We have reversed to long positions on pound Aussie, as you can see, and also we have reversed to long positions on pound dollar as well. So let me update you straightforward for these changes. So we reversed to long on pound Aussie at 1.74994, stop loss 1.74424, and PP 1.75344. And also we have reversed to long again pound dollar at 1.27597, stop loss 1.27027, TP 1.27947. So these are the only two updates, plus the fact that we have closed our pound positions with a profit. Stand by guys, you're monitoring my screen. I will update you shortly. Thank you. Okay, I'm back. We are getting ready to hit some take profits. Euro dollar is on the move, guys. We have entered long positions since the morning. That's another $3,500 trade if we hit TP. We are getting very close to hit our take profit. And as I said, that's another $3,500. Also, our long position on pound dollar is doing great. Currently, we're making $5,000, $5,400 here. Pound Aussie is getting ready to hit TP. So Euro dollar, pound Aussie, pound dollar, all of these trades are developing very nicely and getting ready to hit our TP. Currently, we are up $9,054. If we manage and hit all these TPs, then we will raise our profits to above $14,000. So let's see if we will manage and hit them. The action is growing. Let's see, guys. Get ready for some nice TPs. We are monitoring the Euro dollar chart. I'm highlighting here the $6,000 position on pound dollar. Just 4 pips away from our take profit on pound dollar. Let's go straight to pound dollar. A sudden drop now. Let's see. Let's go to pound dollar, guys. Pound dollar is climbing to the upside. Euro dollar is just 10 pips now away. Pound dollar is doing also well. So let's see if we will manage and hit the take profits on pound dollar first. As I said, I'm getting ready to take profit on Euro dollar, pound Aussie, and pound dollar. There we go. 10 pips there. Just 7 pips on pound dollar. Let's see, already the hedged positions are making more money than the losing trades. As you can see here, that's the mathematical hedge I'm currently using. So we are getting there. Get ready for some nice TPs. Pound dollar is approaching the target. Pound dollar is approaching the target very fast, guys. So we're just 7 pips away, 5 pips now away from our take profit on pound dollar, and just 8 pips away from our take profit on euro dollar. That's straightforward position, $3,500. Also, pound Aussie is getting ready. We are making $4,000 on pound Aussie. We are making $6,400 on pound dollar. Let's see. Remember that currently we are up $9,054. There we go, guys. We just hit TP on pound dollar. We just hit TP on pound dollar. We just hit TP on let's see, on pound Aussie as well, and we have increased our profits to $11,245. Let's go straight to euro dollar, guys. Euro dollar is doing nice, so a nice one. We closed our positions on pound Aussie and pound yen, increasing our daily profits to $11,245. I'm also monitoring now the euro dollar position. In the meantime, we have reversed to long positions on pound yen, so let me inform you about it. And if I have any updates, I will come back to you. Thank you. So hello again, and that's another update, guys. So as you can see, the Kiwi has finally decided to move. It's falling nicely, and we are just less than 10 pips away from our TP. Now it's starting to go up again. So you are monitoring my screen, and I will let you know the outcome. So far, I have entered again pound Aussie, as you can see, long positions, and also I have entered short positions on pound dollar. The short positions are not doing very well. The long position of pound Aussie is making us some money. So we will monitor the trades and keep you updated. Thank you. Okay, guys. I hope you are listening to me after our lovely webinars. We are back on trading action, and we see that our euro yen and euro dollar positions are getting ready to hit our TPs. We are just 8 pips away from the take profit of euro dollar. We are monitoring the chart of euro dollar. That's a $3,500 trade, $3,500 profitable trade. And euro yen also is rising nicely, guys. That's another $3,100 approximately. So we have $6,500 on the table right now, getting to end in our pockets, ready to be in our pockets. $6,500. So we are currently 11,000. If we manage that, we will increase our profits to above 18,000. So you are monitoring my screen, guys. Stand by, and I will let you know accordingly. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are just 5 pips away from the take profit of euro yen. We are monitoring the euro yen chart. $3,096 from that position, straightforward position, guys. So we are very close to hit our TP. Let's see if we will get that. Currently we are making $2,800 more or less on that. We need $300 more. That's less than 4 pips now. We want the bid price to reach the 411 level. Currently it's trading at 375. The pair is rising nicely, and I believe we will hit the TP anytime soon. Now we are just less than 4 pips away, guys. 3 pips now. Just 3 pips away from the $3,000 profit. And if we hit that, we will increase our daily profits to $14,000 or even more than that. Let's see if we will hit our take profit on euro yen. We are very close, guys, just 4 pips away. A nice rising trend today since the opening of euro yen. We are monitoring the chart. Let me check and go a brief round before we start our afternoon session, which starts in approximately 14 minutes from now. Let me go around the pairs. Euro yen is developing very nice. Okay, guys, I have an update for you. We have just reversed again to short positions on pound Aussie. Very volatile pair, this pair at 1.74971. Stop loss 1.75541. TP at 1.74621. Getting closer and closer to our take profit on euro yen, guys. So let's see if we will hit our take profit on that. Let me see what's going on with pound Aussie. Lots of volatility. We have a nice bearish candle. If the price gives up this, then we will have some nice take profit. So we are monitoring. Hello, Donald, and welcome. Hello, and welcome. So we are monitoring now live here with you guys the euro dollar and euro yen positions. The euro yen stacked a bit now, but is getting higher and higher. Most probably we'll hit our TP. Euro dollar is 9 pips away. Our TP is at 654, currently trading at 563. That's $3,500 profit. But the best performing in absolute numbers, in relative numbers actually, on euro yen is euro yen. So I'm patiently waiting. I'm monitoring the chart. We are less than 4 pips away, and we will hit another nice take profit here at Trademy.com. In the meantime, no need to remind you that as I have informed you in the trading room, in the chat room, we have just reversed also to short positions on pound Aussie. If the price breaks below this short-term MAs, it's on a free fall. There is nothing to hold it there, and we will quickly hit our TPs. We are talking about a $6,000 position of profits if we close all these 4 hedged positions on pound Aussie. It will be very interesting to see how pound Aussie will react. And as I said, we are getting ready to hit TPs on euro yen and euro dollar. Euro yen is the one that is closer to our take profit level. So we will be closely monitoring that. And you see that slowly is going up. And I believe we will soon hit our TP. So you are monitoring my screen, and let's see what will happen, guys, if we will get the money. So now is making a move. So we will see. We will see. Patience. And we have, from these 2 positions, guys, is $6,600. $6,600. If we get that, then we will go to 18,000, above $18,500 of profits just for today. So let's see, and I will update you accordingly. Thank you. Okay, we are less than 3 pips to hit our take profit on euro yen. We are less than 3 pips to hit our TP on euro yen, guys. So we want the price to go to 411. There we go. We just need a slight jump to the upside and we'll hit our take profit. We are very close to get almost $3,100 of profit from that position. 3,096 to be accurate. 3,095 now because of the euro dollar rate. So it's very close now, just approximately 2.2 pips away from our TP. Let's see, we will close that live here with you guys. Are you watching this? Get ready for some big take profits during the afternoon session. Our pound Aussie position, last reversal position, started to make us some nice money. And also, we are monitoring also euro yen chart. There we go, just 1.5 pips now away from our TP. Also, euro dollar is getting ready from these 2 positions. We are aiming to get around $6,600. So from both of them, there we go. First euro yen. Let's see euro yen first. Less than 2 pips now. Come on, euro yen. There we go. Come on. 1.1 pips away from the $3,100. Currently we are making $3,070. There we go, 0.4 pips. 0.1 pip actually. We missed the target by 0.1 pip. It was 41.0 and amazing. It will get there, guys. There we go, guys. We just closed our euro yen trade and we have increased our profits to $14,340 for the day. Let's go now for the euro dollar. We got the 3,100. Let's go now for the extra $3,500. Now is pay time here at Forex Trading Desk of Trademy, guys. We are making nice money here. So let's monitor now the euro dollar position. Let's monitor the euro dollar position. It's just 8 pips away from the take profit. Just 8 pips away from the take profit on the euro dollar. We closed our position on euro yen. We currently have realized so far today $14,340. Let's monitor euro dollar, guys. I'm switching the chart to the 15-minute chart of euro dollar. You are monitoring my screen. We are getting ready for another $3,500 of profit. Let's see how it will go. Thank you. Good afternoon, guys. Heads up. Good afternoon. The afternoon live trading session here at Trademy.com starts right now. How are you today? Welcome, everybody. Welcome to another exciting live trading room session here at Trademy.com. This is Kyriakos Harilal talking from the Forex trading desk of Trademy, guys, and today we have an amazing day so far. Currently, we have closed too many positions, as you can see here from the account statement. We have closed in the morning yesterday positions of Aussie dollar, we have closed pound Aussie, we have closed pound yen, we have closed pound dollar, then again pound Aussie, then again pound yen, then again pound Aussie, again pound dollar, and we have just closed also our position on euro yen. For those of you who were with me, you saw it happening live. Currently we are up $14,340. But guess what, guys? There is more. There is more to it, and I'm really looking forward for the biggest short position I have for the moment. Pound Aussie. If we close our position on pound Aussie, that's more than $6,000 of profits, guys, and we will approach and even exceed a daily profit of $20,000 for the day. All of the trades close here live with you. For those of you who are following my positions, you should be smiling today because we had a very nice day so far. So despite the fact that the US markets are closed, the pounds, the last 3 days, the pounds are very good to me. So the majority of my positions are on the pounds. I'm closing the pounds, I'm opening again. I'm closing the pounds, I'm opening again. Long, short, short, long, all the time. So we are hammering the markets today on the pounds. Now, my best performing trade, and the chart that you are monitoring right now with me, is the pound Aussie. We have reversed. This is our third reversal on pound Aussie. We are short. The pair, I said in the morning, I said a few minutes ago that if it loses this short-term MAs, then it's a free fall towards at least the lower Bollinger Band of 2 standard deviations. And as a result, that's exactly what is happening right now. The pair is declining nicely. We just want the price to reach the lower Bollinger Band, and we will make an additional $6,000 of profit, guys, more or less. Now, let's go around the pairs. You closed and lost money on reversals done, maybe because you had a different level than me. You need to check and make sure that you get exactly the same entry levels than like me. If you would like to know how this works done, if you would like to know how this actually works and how you must follow the positions, the best thing to do is to come to a one-to-one session with me, and I will be more than glad not only to explain to you, Dan, how this actually works, but also how to optimize it for even better results based on the spread you have, because I don't think we have the same spreads. So we need a small adjustment on that, and I'm more than glad to share all these things with you on a one-to-one session. So be careful when you are following me. Make sure you have same spreads as I do. In case you don't, you need to come to a one-to-one session to fine-tune the process. So if you do that, you will have no problem. However, as I said many times, you have to be careful with your money and risk management policies when you are following any of our positions, either my positions or with Elif's positions. So that's one thing. The other thing that I would like to say is that we are watching pound Aussie, as I said, is declining nicely. The pair is making me now $7,000. Soon it will drop even further, and the last short position, will fully recover the losses of the previous 2 long positions and eventually get our trading to money. But in order for all of this to happen, we need to see the price declining towards this area. We will cover the spread cost, and eventually we will get the money in our pockets. So let's go around and check how the other trades are doing, the other pairs. For the moment, let's go first of all to Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar has finally decided to move. The whole day was in a tight trading range of 15 pips. Now it has decided to move to the upside, and that's good for us because we have long positions. Euro dollar, we have said the green light is there for at least 30, 40 minutes, but the pair is not deciding to make an upside move. It seems that now it has started to move to the upside. Pound Aussie, as I said, is declining nicely. It has lost the short-term MA, so I think now it's on a free fall until this area here. So we'll get the money soon. Let's go to the next one, pound yen. We have reversed to short positions. It seems that the pair indeed is finding a strong resistance on the MA of 200 periods, which I have repeatedly said that is a very important resistance level for intraday traders. So it will be very interesting to see how it will react. Let's move on. Short pound dollar. I have shorted pound dollar here, guys, at this level. And it will be very interesting to see if we see new daily highs, we will reverse to long positions again. Otherwise, if this area is cleared by the price, then expect a sudden decline in pound dollar towards the MA50 and the lower Bollinger Band. This means that we will hit take profit. And since we haven't reversed this position yet, it's a short position, that's $3,500. Okay. Next one, we have short positions on the Kiwi. The pair marginally hit our TP on short positions 1, 2, 3 times today, but eventually it's following the same movement as Aussie dollar. So now it's going to the opposite direction. However, I'm not worried at all. We are still far away from any reversals or TPs. So it will need some more time. Moreover, dollar CAD, don't forget that for dollar CAD today we have interest rate decisions coming out in approximately 53 minutes from now. Currently is losing us some money. We have a long position on dollar CAD. If we see new daily, if we see this low breaking to the downside, we will reverse to short. For the moment, the cloud acts as a support area for dollar CAD. Let's move on with our buy positions on dollar CHF. You see, the price is holding, is still holding on the MA of 200 periods. In order for us to reverse to short positions, I need to see a lower daily low. This is the daily low. I need to see the price closing significantly below that low. If I see that, it means that the price has given up the MA of 200 periods. We are going lower, and I will reverse to short positions. Next one, we have long positions on dollar yen, but it's still within a very narrow trading range, guys. So a range of 20 pips throughout the day, no movement at all. So my eyes now are on pound Aussie. The pair is declining nicely, and we are also expecting some interest rate decisions, as I said, in approximately 52 minutes from now for the Canadian dollar, and we have positions on Canadian dollar. We are long. So for the moment, we are doing great here. I'm making around $8,500 on pound Aussie. Let's see if we will manage and close that position here live with you. That's approximately $6,000 profit, guys, trade from all 4 positions, and the winning and the losing ones. So I'm patiently waiting. I would love to see my profits today to rise above $20,000. So let's see if that will be the case. So let's see, we are making $8,500 for the moment. And it will be very interesting to see that live here with you. So let's see, we are monitoring pound Aussie. There is nothing to hold pound Aussie from a further decline, guys. So I believe we will soon hit TP. There we go. We are making $9,500 now. Look how the mathematical hedge actually works. This short position will soon rise above the losses. The profits of the short position, if the decline continues, will soon rise above the losses of both this position and this position. So we will make money out of it, and that's approximately $6,000, maybe a bit less. We will see when the trade closes. Currently, we are making $10,000 from our pound Aussie short position. As I said, my target is to get this number above $20,000 today so that we can have decent profits for the day. So let's see, pound yen is started to make money, short positions. Let me see what else do I have. Euro dollar is now declining, getting away from our take profit price. But my eyes, as I said, are on pound Aussie, guys. Pound Aussie is looking very nice for a nice TP on that. The pounds, as I said, are behaving very well these days. Too much volatility, and this is exactly what we want. So we are monitoring the pound Aussie. Currently, the biggest short position is making us $10,000. We are waiting for these profits to rise soon above the losses. So we're getting there. If the pair decides to move to the downside, we'll have some nice profits. Now, let's see who is with us this afternoon. So as I said, I have replied to Dan why he's losing money on reversals. Maybe the reason is because you have different spreads than what I did, or maybe the reason is because you have opened an incorrect position size Dan, or maybe the reason is that you haven't entered exactly at the same price than I did. So you need some fine tuning on that, and this can be done through the one-to-one sessions. So I have answered this question. Let me also welcome you to the trading group, Dan. Good afternoon and welcome. Let's see who else is with us today. Adrian, Alicia, Alan, Arpit, Bruce. All right. Bruce, you are new, right? Welcome. And it's nice to have you on board, as of course with everyone. Chris, welcome. Chloe, Dan, Donald, Fano, welcome. Fred, George, Jeff, Jenna, ladies, Julia, Kylie, Mary, Megan, Natalie, Nina, Oscar, welcome Oscar, Patrick, Philip, welcome Philip, and welcome Sushila. Welcome Bruce, it's nice to have you on board, nice to always see new people coming on board. Okay guys, red lights means what? Red lights means that we are getting ready to hit our TP. We are getting ready to hit our TP, but I see that the leaf has an urgent update. So let's go to a leaf shortly, and then you come back to me because I'm getting ready to hit TPs. Let's go to a leaf.
Hello guys, welcome. And ching guys, we made money. Our silver position, as you remember, we had a silver position which we opened this morning, and ching ching, it just hit take profit. We made $1,550 on silver, and we increased our daily profit so far to $10,626. We closed all our positions which we opened this morning. Nothing is left, guys, nothing is left, and we have to open new ones. Now we go back to Kyriakos. Kyriakos, here we are.
Thank you very much, Eli, for the pass. So as I said, guys, we are getting ready to hit TPs on pound Aussie. Currently, the trade is making us $12,500. Our biggest short position, $13,000. The pair has almost touched our take profit, but as I said, we need the bid price to reach our take profit level. We are getting some questions regarding what size was the silver contract, how much capital. Guys, regarding, of course, Elif will answer these questions, but regarding position sizes and capital requirements and how to trade instruments using the MT4, the best person to answer these questions is your personal account manager at Trademy.com. They are very knowledgeable staff, and they can answer all these questions, which can easily be answered by them. So regarding trading skills and trading methodologies, you can ask anything you want in the trading room. But this type of questions, they can easily be answered and handled by your personal account managers at Trademy.com. So it seems that our pound Aussie is getting up again. So let's see. Oh, there we go. We are getting ready also to hit TPs on pound dollar, a sudden decline on the pound. There we go. That's a $3,500 position. if we manage to hit the TP. Pound dollar is doing very well. Also, pound yen started to make us money. Kiwi is making us money, but it's still far away from the profit. So I'm monitoring now pound dollar position, guys. Let's see, some action is going on. Pound Aussie is going up again. Pound dollar is trying to keep the MA of 200 periods. Let's see. No, I don't have important updates for the moment. Let me see what else is going on here. Let me go back to pound Aussie. It's going up. Let me see euro dollar. It's finding support on the MA of 200 periods. Let's see if it will keep that. Pound yen currently making us $4,000. All right, guys, we are getting ready to hit some nice profits. I have the feeling today that we will hit some nice take profits on pound yen on all the pairs. On all the pairs, they are looking really promising. So let's go to pound Aussie, the pair. There we go. As I said, we are getting ready to hit take profits on pound dollar and pound Aussie. Pound dollar is declining nicely, guys. Just 5 pips away from the $3,500 trade. Just 3.5. Pound Aussie is getting ready to hit TP. There we go, guys. We are getting ready to hit take profit on pound dollar, $3,500. Let's see. Come on, oh, we missed that by $500. We just need 5 more pips. A sudden decline on the pound pairs, and that's exactly what we want because we are short on pound Aussie, we are short on pound dollar, we are short on pound yen. All the short positions are making money. The momentum is very clear. There we go again on pound dollar, $3,500. We want to get that. We just need now to cover the spread. Let's see, $3,500, just 5 more pips. And we will get the money in. Currently on pound Aussie, we are making $12,000. On pound Aussie is declining nicely as well. We just need the pound to fall. If we see that, we will make some nice money here. So we are speculating on a decline of the pound on both against the Aussie, against the yen, and against the dollar. So we are short pound dollar, we are short pound yen, we are short pound Aussie. Let's see a sudden decline. Now it's holding a bit up. Now it's getting ready to fall again. Let's see. We have 12 more minutes until the US opening. There we go, guys. We are making $12,300, $12,600 on pound Aussie. Pound dollar is making us $3,000. Let's see if we will manage and hit take profit on our pound dollar position first, and then pound Aussie. There we go. We just need 4 more pips. There is no US opening today. I forgot that the lifts. I apologize for that. There we go, guys. Just 2 pips. Just 2 pips away from the TP. $3,500 trade. Pound yen is getting ready to hit take profit. Come on. We just closed our positions on pound dollar, guys. $3,500. Now we are getting ready to hit TPs on pound yen. Amazing. Look at that. Green colors. We have hit our take profit on pound dollar. We are getting ready now to hit TPs on pound Aussie and pound yen. We are making $14,000 from our last short pound Aussie position. There we go. That's exactly what I would like to see on the trading account of trading.com. Let's see, guys. Let's see how much money we can make. Before the closure of the pound, we were $14,000. Let's see how much we can make out of it. Green color, guys. And I like what I see here. Let's see. So we closed our pound dollar position, $3,500. We have increased the profits of the day to $17,840. But there is more coming. Guys. There is more coming, especially on pound Aussie. We are making $15,000. We are making $15,000 from our last short position. It will trouble us a bit, but we will get there. That's one thing for sure. Hello, Mike. Welcome to our live trading room. You are monitoring here live Forex trading together with me, Kyriakos Starilaou. We have already closed one position in the afternoon. Pound dollar, $3,500. We have increased our daily profits to $17,840, and we are getting ready to hit TPs on pound Aussie and pound yen, guys, but we need some more time for that. Any minute, I believe we will hit our TPs on these positions. We see a sudden sell-off on the GBP. We are speculating on a sell-off, on a decline of the GBP against the Aussie and against the yen. That's our speculation for the moment. Let's see what the other pairs are doing. The red lights are off. It means that the price is getting away again from our TP. Let me see euro dollar. We marginally hit take profit on euro dollar, but then we see a sudden decline. Now the pair is fighting to hold above the MAs. Let's see. Aussie dollar entered back into the trading range. Let me have a look on the Kiwi. The Kiwi has touched our take profit level 3 times today. 1, 2, 3. But we are getting there. There we go. The pound is declining again. So let's go again straight to pound Aussie and pound yen. We just need a bit more push to the downside and we'll get the money. Let me have a look on dollar card. Don't forget that on dollar card we have interest rate decision today, guys. Interest rate decision coming out in approximately 40 minutes from now, and already some volatility is observed. Bank of Canada rate statement coming out at 3 o'clock p.m. UTC time. Don't forget that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com. forexlive.com. A sudden jump to the upside on dollar card has erased all the unrealized losses for the moment and is holding there. Dollar CHF simply stuck there. Now is finding support on the MA of 200 periods. But as I said, the really interesting trades today are again today on the GBP. GBP, pound Aussie, pound yen. We have closed our positions on pound dollar and we are now waiting for the pound yen and pound Aussie positions to continue their declines and eventually hit our TPs. So, let's see. Alright, it seems that we are in a pause regarding directional movement on the Forex pairs. So, I will give a small pass to Elif to tell us an update about her positions. And then if I have any updates, you will come back to me shortly. So Elif, update us on the indices and gold and crude oil.
Hello, welcome to our afternoon session. Welcome to the indices, guys. Well, as I said, all my positions from this morning, they closed already, and I'm looking very, very closely if I find further entry levels. I see already possibility on gold, but I will put a pending order. I want to enter at 1037-ish. This is the area where I would like to enter. Now it's already higher. So I will put a pending order because I see already a short drop. And since we don't have a lot of volatility today due to George W. Bush's funeral, the markets are closed, and that's why the American market is missing, and we don't have a lot of volatility. That's why I will put a pending order and see how it works. So let's go for a pending order. On gold, we put a pending order, buy limit on gold, and I want that the buy limit gets triggered at 1,237.10. 37.10. I want that my take profit gets triggered there, and my position gets triggered there, and let's see where I will put a take profit. My take profit will be in this case at 1,238. This is what I'm looking for. This is approximately a profit of 4,000 euros. Yeah, 4,500 euros. Let's see how fast we will get there. I see already. I don't know. The market is already moving strongly against me. Against me, it's a bit. I don't want to miss the opportunity, guys. I don't want to miss the opportunity. Okay, I will get my pending order a bit higher. I put my pending order at the middle Bollinger Band, which is at 1,237.60. And I put a take profit. Let me see. I will not close the chart of it. I want to leave it there and then decide accordingly how we will go, how we will do it and how we will do it. So, Bruce, hello, Bruce. Hello. So, Bruce has some questions. Let me see. Bruce wants to know what would you do on gold and why? Long, short? Okay. Oh, God, guys. Guys, I will go now. I'm going now. I will delete my... I just deleted my pending order and I entered now a gold trade. I just opened now a gold trade on gold and I will explain you why. So, Bruce, the reason why I went now long on gold, you can see gold is moving on a channel. I'm looking at the 5 minutes chart right now, and gold is moving in a channel over here. We had here was the first break out of the channel. And here I was waiting if the price will drop further down. That's why I put a pending order over there. It didn't. And I saw a reversal pattern on my stochastic oscillator. I saw that we went higher than the middle Bollinger Band. So that's why for me, it was a signal that it will go higher. Then, on the other hand, when I look at the 15 minutes chart, I see also here further uptrend. On the half an hour chart, I see a very clear uptrend. So I believe in the next half an hour, gold will further go up. And when you check half an hour chart, you see a very clear uptrend getting also from the parabolic stars, the confirmation of this uptrend. I just wanted a better price. Unfortunately, I missed a good entry level. However, this is why I believe gold will go higher. But, Bruce, you are new with us. So you don't know my trading style. I just want to inform you about my trading style. When I say I'm going long, I'm not aiming when I entered at 1,237-ish. I'm not aiming that gold will go again today to 1,240 levels. No, I'm aiming small profits with small moves up. This is what I'm aiming here. And that's why I will put a take profit on this trade, a narrow take profit at 1,200. 1,238.95 is my take profit. It's a bit higher than the previous high. You see it over here. It was last night. And that's why I put it there. And I'm expecting a profit of $1,400 here. So then he's asking me how many units I'm trading. I'm trading gold. I'm trading 50 units on my first position. Sometimes I'm increasing my exposure. Later on, when I see that the market had a pullback and I get a better entry level, I might increase my exposure. But the maximum I would open on gold is 100 units. This is what I would go. So my stop loss. Now I don't put a stop loss. Bruce, I'm not putting a stop loss immediately. I let the market to develop. Most of the time my positions get triggered very fast. I let the market to develop and then decide about my stop loss. But if I had to put now a stop loss, then my stop loss would be at around 1,235-ish. 35-ish, but it depends. As I said, I'm not putting right now a stop loss, as you can see on all my trades. So far, I didn't put even one stop loss. However, let's go for the next one. Italy 40. So Bruce, I hope I answered all your questions. If I forgot something or left something behind, just let me know, and I'm more than welcome to. Guys, I'm going long on Italy 40. Let me see. Yes, guys, I'm going long on Italy 40. Here we go. We opened another Italy 40 position long. And also here we go for a take profit at 19,426. 426 is my take profit. And the reason why I went long on Italy 40, maybe I entered too fast. Oof. Let's see. I went long on Italy 40 because I see on my stochastic oscillator on a 5 minutes chart and on a 15 minutes chart still a slope up. That's why I went long and I put my take profit. This is a quite big take profit. I will see how it develops and adjust accordingly my take profit later on. Let's have a look also on our next asset, which is DAX. Guys, on DAX, now on DAX I get several different signals. On the 5 minutes chart, I get the signal of a short trade, which on the 15 minutes chart, I get a very strong buy signal. No, on DAX, I don't want to trade. Also, when we look at the DAX trade today, this is the daily move of DAX here. Look at DAX, it's so narrow, it's in a very range. We see also from the Bollinger Bands that the cloud is closing and a range is coming up. I don't see here a good, nice level to enter, to be honest. Look at these movements on DAX, doesn't make really sense for me. Guys, that's why I will for now not trade DAX. But Italy 40 is different, guys. With Italy 40, we get Also with small movements, quite a good of profit. And if the market moves against us, we can get here a nice move and it's quite volatile, and even if the movement is small, we make some money on Italy 40. I'm thinking now on Italy 40 to put also a pending order for increasing my position. So let me see on Italy 40. I will put a pending order, guys. I'm putting a pending order on Italy 40 at a buy limit at 19,335. This is my take profit and my pending order, and my take profit for this position will be at 19,385. So here we go. I will go with 50 lots. Here we go. This is my pending order for my Italy 40 positions, guys. Let me write it down. We need the next tick to accept is the best execution. So 19,335 and 85. Come on. Let's close it and go back to gold. I will come back to Italy 40 in a short while. To gold. Okay, gold is getting again a bit narrowed down. On gold, we have to so let's try it again. There we go. We got our pending order on Italy 40. Now on gold, we are looking also on gold. And we are checking. No, I will keep. We still didn't pay off the spread on gold. We have a long position. And as I said, we are always checking for the next low and enter again if needed. If needed to increase our positions. Guys, as you know, USA 30 and USA 100, what we are trading normally at this time of the day, they are closed already for the day. They are closed already for the day. We don't get prices. I see that Kyriakos has an update. I will move to Kyriakos and we will be here.
Update, and it's a very good update, guys. We are getting ready to hit TPs on pound yen, and the Kiwi had decided to move eventually. So you see green lights. If you see green lights, it means that we are getting ready to put some money in our pockets. So get ready for TPs on pound yen. Currently, we are up $17,840. Let's see if we will increase that amount to above $20,000. There we go. The Kiwi is getting ready to hit TP. Pound yen, we just want 4 more pips drop and we will get the money. Green lights. That's great, guys. So let's see, we are monitoring the pound yen chart. The pair has finally decided to drop a bit. So we are getting ready to hit take profit, just 3 pips away now from our take profit level. There we go, just 3 pips away, less than 3 pips now. The pair is falling nicely. Come on, don't stay there, no, don't do this again. All right, it went up again. The reason we have some difficulties there to drop, but eventually it will drop, is because we are at a round number, 144, guys. And as some of you might know from your experience so far, is that round numbers are acting as strong support levels for the pairs, especially for intraday trading purposes. So pound yen is fighting against the 144 level, but it seems that the momentum is getting stronger and eventually it will lose that level to the downside. So if we see that, we will hit TP, and if we hit TP, it means that we will make money. So Kiwi is doing very well, as also Kiwi is making us money. So we are just 3 pips away from our take profit of pound yen. Let's see if we will manage and hit that. All right. Pair is fighting the 144 level. It's trying to hold above it. I believe that eventually it will drop. So let's see, guys. We are just a few pips away from the TP. Kiwi is falling nicely. Also, we are just 9 pips away from the take profit of the Kiwi. It's looking good for the moment. So you are monitoring my screen live. Let's check the Kiwi, guys. All right. Wow. Kiwi is dropping nicely, but as I have said, the Kiwi does not move a lot. So it has a very narrow daily range. So we need to be much more patient on the Kiwi. However, pound yen is very volatile and it should drop now. I mean, it's holding there for almost 45 minutes, including this candle on the 144 round number, but it seems that it will give it up. So let's see if we will hit our TP. We are missing a few pips, just 4 pips away. So let's see if we will hit it here live with you guys. Also the Kiwi, as I said, is doing a nice job. It's falling nicely. Let's see. We are monitoring now pound yen. Let's see, guys. All right. I think I will enter a new position on pound dollar, guys. It has approached a nice support level on the daily chart. And for those of you who have just joined us, I'm talking about this support level here. It has lost it, 117.10. All right, I will give it a try. Based on the daily analysis we have done, I will give it a try and enter a long position on pound dollar straight away, guys. It's on a support zone. So I will open 10 lots, long position pound dollar, based on the analysis you see in front of you, on the analysis I have performed yesterday, and we have just entered long positions on pound dollar. I will inform you straightforward about them. Let's go back. We are getting ready to hit TP on pound yen. The pair is dropping nicely. So let me also inform you about the position on pound dollar. So I'm long pound dollar at 1.27289, stop loss 1.26719, and TP 1.27639. That's the newest position I have just opened. But our eyes, of course, are on the pound yen trade. Currently, we are making $9,500. We want the pound yen to reach the MA50. If we see that, then we will hit our TP. We are just, if one position closes either with a stop loss or with a TP, I'm closing all the trades. So based on that losing position, it seems that we are less than 3 pips away from that trade to hit stop loss, and all the positions will close with TP. So we are missing 1 pip now, less than 1 pip. There we go, 0 point. There we go, guys. We just closed our positions on pound yen, and we have increased, missing $5 more. I'm missing $5 more from our daily target, which is set for today for $20,000. So we just closed our pound yen trades, $19,995 for the moment. Daily realized positions here live with you. Let's see if we keep also the TP on our Kiwi position, and if we do that, then we will increase our profits to above $20,000. Also, don't forget that in approximately 15 minutes from now, we have interest rate decisions for the Canadian dollar, so automatically I will switch to the dollar CAD chart. It will be very interesting to see how the charts will behave and what nice volatility we will observe on the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is crazy, guys. It's a crazy pair. So I'm expecting some nice volatility on dollar CAD as well. So let's see. We are monitoring now, of course, the chart of the Kiwi, but I want to go to the chart of Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie is owing us some money, guys, and is trying to break above the short-term MAs with a rejection. Now, the rejection comes if I see a fall towards this area. Guess what? We will increase our profits to well above $20,000. So let's see. The action is growing today. Although the US markets are closed today, the pounds are very nice to me. Not only today, the past 3-4 days actually. Those of you who are constantly attending the LTR, you will have observed that the 70% of the positions, maybe more, all the profits are made from pound pairs: pound Aussie, pound yen, pound dollar. The same for today, guys. If you see my trades, we have pound Aussie, pound yen, pound dollar, pound Aussie, pound yen, pound Aussie, pound dollar, euro yen, pound dollar, pound yen. The majority of the positions are on the pounds, of course. This is the majority of the positions. So we are monitoring the charts. I will stay longer with you today because we have interest rate announcements on the dollar CAD. So we will extend a bit the session. Now, 5 tips away from our Kiwi position. Take profit. Let's see if we will manage and hit the take profit. This position is running since yesterday. It's a hedge short position. Currently is making us $6,100. And we would love to see that trade closing as well today. This trade was initiated yesterday. You can see that from the date here. We have opened a long position yesterday and we reversed to short positions yesterday, and it hasn't closed yet. So we are making $6,100. We are in the money, guys, for the Kiwi. Let's close that. Let me see if we will close that. If we close that, then we exceed the target of $20,000 for today. Let's see if we will manage and close that TP. And also, I believe that dollar CAD will do a nice job, guys, as well, because we have interest rate decisions coming out in approximately 12 minutes from now. So in approximately 5 minutes, I think I will reverse my screen to the dollar CAD chart, and together we will enjoy some nice volatility. For the moment, my eyes are on the Kiwi and, of course, on my short positions on pound Aussie, because I have big position there of 77 lots, and I would definitely want to see that trade closing with a TP here live with you. So, for those of you who have just joined us, I would like to repeat the importance of one-to-one sessions. We can, with the mentors, of course, with myself or with Elif, we can do a lot of things together, guys. We can design trading systems. We can optimize your existing trading systems. We can proceed to design a checklist like the one I have here with statistical and probability analysis of any long positions or any short positions. We can do a lot of stuff in the one-to-one sessions that definitely will take your trading capabilities, your trading skills to the next level, because theory is one thing and how things are done in practice, it's another thing. So how to arrange a one-to-one session with us? You need to contact your personal account manager at Trademy.com, and he will guide you or she will guide you through the process. So we are monitoring the Kiwi. It seems that it's refusing to fall, so it's stuck there now. A nice decline for the past 15 minutes, so let's see how it will go, and I will update you accordingly. In the meantime, I'm reversing my chart to dollar CAD because I'm expecting huge volatility in approximately 5 minutes. So we are monitoring the dollar CAD chart. So how was your day, guys, regarding trading? Have you made some money today, either from Forex or from any positions that you have placed? Doesn't need to be exactly the same positions that we do. Maybe you have traded on your own because you are learning some stuff under your training programs. If you have made money, kindly share it with us, or even if you have us, if you want us to analyze something for you, to like, for example, I think it was Dan who asked me about inverse head and shoulders on Aussie dollar, or I don't remember exactly the name. Maybe it was Dan or Donald or Michael. I don't remember. Somebody asked me if I see an inverse head and shoulders on Aussie dollar yesterday, and indeed there was an inverse head and shoulders on Aussie dollar, and we proceeded, and we have made a nice trend analysis on Aussie dollar yesterday. So as you can see here, determining support and resistance zones, Fibonacci levels, necklines. We have done a lot of things, and we have said some important stuff about Aussie dollar yesterday. So if you would like to analyze anything, guys, to have an opinion on that, just an analysis on that, so just type in the chat room, and we will be more than glad to serve you on that. So my eyes now on dollar card. We have approximately 6 more minutes until the news. Some crazy volatility will start on dollar card. Interest rate decisions coming out in approximately 7.5 minutes. So I will give a final pass to Elif for the next 3-4 minutes, and then you come back to me. There we go, Elif. You come back to me in 4 minutes.
Problem, Kyriakos. Thank you, and congratulations for your great profits. $5 more to go. This is what you will get, I'm sure about that. So on our side, Italy 40 still struggles a bit. In the meantime, as I was expecting, that gold dropped a bit further. I opened a hedged position, and the position of my sell, you're welcome, Kyriakos. My sell position is making right now profit and is very close to hit the take profit. As you can see, I put the take profit at the resistance of the day. So I'm expecting here again a move up, and I might increase once this position close. I might increase my exposure on gold. So on DAX, as you remember, we didn't had a clear setup for DAX. Now it's look, guys, if we trade now DAX, we could do that. We could go now long DAX, but the money which we will get out of this trade is very small. We can't go for a big take profit here. That's why I will go knowing that now we will have some volatility on the markets. I will go for a long trade on DAX. Here we go, but I don't expect a big profit. The only profit I'm expecting from this trade is around, let me see, I will put my take profit at 11,265. This is my take profit for this trade, guys. And I might even adjust and get less profits out of it. Let's put it a bit lower. Let's put it a bit lower. Our take profit, it's too high. Here we go. And I'm expecting just a profit of, guys, ching ching. We hit take profit on gold. $2,150, guys. Ching ching, we hit take profit. And our daily profits for today, they increased to $12,773, $12,773, and we are expecting still some more profits. Let me see. Okay, I'm expecting still some more profits, guys. $2,150, and we need it for this trade just 10 minutes. Let me see. I might open another trade, but okay. Now on gold, we have to wait for the reversal, and when we get the reversal, we will increase our exposure. Now there's still some move up, and I will not go for any exposure trading. So going back to gold and Italy 40, DAX and Italy 40. Now we are on DAX. This is our DAX position. And I'm Kyriakos has. I ran out of time. Kyriakos, here we go.
All right, Elise, thank you. So, guys, we are approaching the interest rate decision of dollar CAD, and I have switched to the 5-minute chart. So, this is our long position. This is our sell stop hedging pending order. This is our take profit for our existing long positions. Interest rate decisions live here at Trademy.com always. Bank of Canada interest rate decision coming out in approximately 2.5 minutes. And we definitely expect to see some really nice volatility on the dollar CAD, guys. So get ready. We are long on dollar CAD. In the meantime, you see that our Kiwi position is just 2 pips away from our take profit. If we close that, then we will increase our profits to above $20,000. We just need 5 more bucks, guys, and we will get the target. Let's see if we'll manage to do that. But now the interesting part of the day is about the interest rate decisions on the Canadian dollar. Since we have a lot of people from Canada here, it's your day, guys. Today we are trading your country's currency. So I know that we have many people from Canada. So we are monitoring dollar CAD. And let's see 5-minute chart. Let's enjoy the volatility of dollar CAD. And it seems that the volatility has already started to move a bit. So I'm expecting big volatility on dollar CAD. That's the nature of this pair. It's quiet, but when it moves like crazy, guys. So let's see. Of course, my eyes also on the spread on dollar CAD. The spreads are expected to open in such important announcements. So there we go. For the moment, we are long on dollar CAD. Get ready. I might inform you that at any moment we will reverse to short positions on dollar CAD. In the meantime, we are just less than 2 pips away from our TP on the Kiwi. Currently, I repeat, we are up $19,995 of profit. Just for your information, we have reversed to short positions on Aussie dollar at, there we go, we just reversed that, 0.72707, stop loss 0.73277, and take profit 0.72357. There we go, volatility started. We are just 1 pip away from our take profit on the Kiwi, guys. We are just 1 pip from the volatility. There we go, dollar CAD. Look at dollar CAD, guys. Look at dollar CAD, how it moves. All right. Let's see, stuck there now. All right, there we go, guys. Get ready. The pair is going up. Right. Let's hit our take. There we go, guys. There we go. We closed our positions on the Kiwi We closed our positions on the Kiwi. Let's see, there we go. We closed our positions on dollar CAD. Let's see, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see. Let's see. We managed to close our positions. All right, great, great. We are still hitting TPs. We are still hitting take profits. There we go. There we go. Let's see how much we have made. Look at dollar CAD. Okay, guys. We have made an amazing 23,000. Look at dollar CAD. I love this pair. Look at dollar CAD. So concluding today's session, we have made an amazing profit. Excellent, excellent, of $23,942. That was a nice one, guys. I'm really happy about the result. So let's see what the remaining of the positions are doing. $23,942. Let me quickly check what's going on with the other pairs, if we had any defaults. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 5, so that's great. So the other trades, let's see how the other trades are doing. We have 5 remaining forex pairs trading. Pound Aussie, pound dollar. Let me see, what else do we have? We have pound dollar, yes, and dollar yen. So for the moment, we are staying with these pairs. For the moment, dollar CAD is rising nicely. Did you see that, guys? We had nice profits. So let me see, let me see, let me see. What else can we trade? Dollar CAD is still rising, guys. Amazing. And the news of the interest rate decision, where let's see if it was as expected, or if they proceeded with a decrease or an increase. Let's see on forexlive.com. I got so absorbed by the trades, as expected, guys, 1.75. So a nice finale here at Trademy.com. Our positions are developing nicely. We closed during the Canadian interest rate decision our position on the Kiwi, as you can see, and also we closed our position on dollar CAD and dollar CHF. So it was a nice one, and we have made a total profits of the day of $23,942. So a nice trading session. Thank you very much for being here with us. Elif, do you have any updates for our students?
No, just that we closed our gold position and I opened another gold position which is running and profiting right now. Another gold position, and except of this, no, nothing. Looking forward to hit our take profits with the other one. And on our social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, you will find my final results of the day. So far, we closed $12,772, and we are looking for more.
Thank you very much, guys, for being with us. We will see you again tomorrow at 9 a.m. UTC time, always live here at Trademy.com. Have a wonderful afternoon, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.